Stuff, so back from another video, and today's video is gonna be about Snapchat as usual, but there's a little bit of a twist in it because I have TikTok information too. So you know what, I'm actually gonna start off with TikTok information, and I'm gonna get into everything else. All right, so I have grown on TikTok with 3,000 followers, 3,700 within 2 days, I think it was. And people ask me, how did I do it? How did I know to do what? Well, I studied the algorithm, and hashtags do not play a part. I know that's like a big thing, but hashtags do not play a part, surprisingly. But it does play a part? The content that you create. And I know this sounds stupid because some people get famous for doing the most stupid things. But if you are posting on TikTok anything that makes people laugh or share or outrageous, like anything that people would be like, okay, this isn't normal. Because I posted dark humor, right? Dark humor is something that some people will get annoyed with or upset with, and they'll share it or they'll dislike it. But when you get any type of engagement, people sharing it or anything, TikTok's algorithm shows it to as many people as possible to see, hey, is this what's actually going on or not? So let's say you post a video of you acting like you're beating someone up. That might get a lot of attention because it is a controversial subject. So if that happens, people are going to then see that and maybe like it, share it, or I don't know, something like that will happen, and then it will be sent around and you'll start gaining followers, because following is more like a like on a YouTube video. It's easier to get followers on TikTok than it is to get a like on a YouTube video. And then when you start growing, you basically just keep posting videos. Another trick I did is I posted my videos 3 times in a row every time I would create a video. So when I would create one video, I would post it 3 times, and then that way I had 3 chances of getting that video to go viral. My most viral video got, I think, 85,000 views and had 5,000, 6,000 likes, something like that. And I took it down now only because I started a clothing line up. I'll put it in the link. I'll put a link in the description, but I didn't want to have that mess with anything. But now let's get into the Snapchat stuff. So Snapchat stuff, this video is just going to talk about insights and what they mean, what is the reason for insights, and why do people get insights. So insights are a way of proving that you have a good audience. You have people that want to watch your story. Now, what do insights do for you? They show you what your audience can do, like what your audience likes, what your audience views the most, how long your audience views, and how much of an audience you have. If you have a big audience, that's when you're going to get insights. And I make many videos on how to get insights and stuff. So go watch those videos. This video isn't about that. This video is about what insights is. And insights is a way to show that you have an audience, and it creates a way for you to make an audience bigger. So let's say you have an audience that's into Chicago Bears. If the Chicago Bears are a big thing that the audience likes, and they're all from Chicago, right? Because it will tell you this, and the age group is anywhere from like 18 to 25. That's when you want to post things that maybe only like people in that age group will understand about the Chicago Bears. And this way you'll get more of a viewer type. Now, this is what Insights does for you. This is what Insights kind of is for you. And Insights is an easier way of basically saying, hey, we know how to get your audience to like you more. You just got to use this like study guide, kind of like what they give you in school when you're about to get a test. They give you a study guide. This is your basic study guide to your audience on what they like, what they want to view, and what they want more of. But I hope you guys like this video. This was a shorter type video. You guys can check out my other videos on how to get insights, how to get the subscribe button, and how to grow on TikTok. I'll make more videos on this, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an amazing day.